Hello everyone, this is day one. We have started a new channel. It is actually an old channel, maybe 4 or 5 years old, but we want to revamp it. We wanted to start fresh, so we didn't really have much going on in the old one, so we just took what we had and we're just modifying it, giving it a new look, new name, all new videos, different style of video. Everything will be new. This is, like I said, will be the first new video that we're posting. I posted a bunch of videos on there, just some old stuff that we had to create some content, something for you to look at in the meantime. There's going to be new stuff coming soon. I would say within the next month or two, we should have quite a bit more new content. I'm probably going to get in trouble for making this video. This is a one-take deal. I'm not going to do a bunch of takes, so it's probably going to be pretty terrible, so I apologize for that. Like I said, I'll probably get into trouble when Brian sees this. So here we are. Anyways, just doing it. I just wanted to give you a little bit of info and a little bit of heads up about what's coming. I just wanted you to bear with us and know that it's going to be totally different, totally new. This video, as a matter of fact, will probably not last long. It may not make it past tomorrow, which is fine. Like I said, I just wanted you to know what was going on, and I want you to be expectant and excited for what's coming. And we'll see how long this video stays up, but it won't be permanent. Neither will any of the videos that are on there. We may make a little playlist or something that's got some of the older content, but it'll be all new. We're really excited. New feel, new look, new name, new everything. So we'll even have merch coming soon. Very excited about that. I'm actually about to make a shirt right now. So anyway, really appreciate everybody. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate you, and we'll talk to you soon.